All right, for lunch today, I'm gonna do some shake and bake pork with some Great Northern beans and rice. So the first thing we do is take our pork chops and rinse them. And we'll go ahead and preheat the oven here. 350 is fine. And to get the shake and bake to stick real good, we'll coat them all in yellow mustard. Now that they're coated in mustard, you take them one at a time, put them in there, and shake them up. All right, you just shake them and pour the excess on top. Open this up. It's preheated. These are awfully thin, so I'm gonna set a timer for 25 minutes. We'll check them. All right, we'll go ahead and get the rice going. I'm gonna fix 1 cup of rice, so we use 2 cups of water. And we'll put it on to boil. It only takes about 4 minutes for it to boil. We'll put a cup of jasmine rice in there, stir it up, put the lid on it, let it simmer for 15 minutes. Put about a tablespoon of butter in there, quite a bit of salt. We'll stir it up. All right, tried it, tastes just right, so it's time to start putting it on the table. All right. Itadakimasu.